Welcome to the second video, where we will explain how our project management works in Profifox. The base screen and central point of the whole application is the dashboard. It shows you important information such as today's actions that are late or should be completed by today, the last used action plans for faster navigation, and the master plan, a structured list of the actions in the order in which they should be completed. The action plan is a group of relevant actions. In the standard view of the action plans, there is a list of action plans on the left and actions within the selected action plan on the right. You can filter actions and action plans by their status, so only uncompleted tasks are visible. It's possible there are more actions in the action plan than you can see. That's because every action is visible only to its creators and to people that are assigned as responsible for its completion. You can create a new action plan by hitting the Create button in the top panel. Master Plan groups all of the actions into a prioritized list. It gives the user a simple overview of the actions that need to be completed on time. It's possible to forget any action if you follow them from the top to the bottom. In every action, there's always information on its source action plan. Groups are like small master plans. They include all of the actions from your selected action plans. It's useful when you need to sort plans by your production lines, projects, customers, or other common attributes. Detail of actions enables you to create and edit the action. To save your changes, it's necessary to hit the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Every action must have the date of completion and can have a notification. Notification works only on mobile devices. You can also set status of the action and priority. Next, it's possible to define a description of the problem and suggestions for resolving it. These suggestions can be split into the smaller tasks, subtasks. Every action can be assigned to one or more responsible persons. Once assigned, it will become visible to them. When an action is completed, it's possible to record and define your results. To make your descriptions richer, you can even attach photos and pictures. There's a button for that at the top of every box. Also, you can simply drag and drop your picture. In mobile application, just hold your finger on place where you want to add one, and the option will appear. All photos are encrypted and securely stored, so they're inaccessible and unreadable to anyone else except you and colleagues that work on action with you. Whenever any action is created or changed, it's also synchronized with the server. So when you open your mobile application, everything is already there. In case of conflict, when the application cannot decide which version of the action is the most recent, the server or the mobile one, the user can choose the valid version of the action. His or her choice is then synchronized with the server. Conflict can occur only when there are multiple offline devices simultaneously editing the same action, which then switch to being online and synchronize. But generally, when devices are connected to the internet or experience only short offline periods, conflicts are uncommon.